very, very, very green, man.
Some tents.
Really?
They're coming.
Oh, man. But Kerkira, you need a lot of days. 6,000 room.
I can confirm.
I protect. Perhaps one. You're down?
2,500.
Final lap. Missed approach, 1,000 points. That's full. Auto fire is off, FD is off. Fire down. Set on the track before 4. Any chicks? Line up. 34, I see it. Working the topic.
1,000. 100 above.
Check. 1,000.
Minimum.
Continue video.
500. 400. 300. 200.
Thank you, thank you.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
A bit of reverse and neither. You have controls, bro? Welcome to Corfu. So, on your first to the right, it's Alpha 2. Stand number 1, we vacate Alpha 2. Yeah, 3904. The right side. After landing, check this. It brakes fantastic. We don't touch it. And Stefanemo, stand number 1 is all the way down. It's the last one. Cockpit. I love Greece, man. I love Greece.
The landscape.
It's the scenery. So I used to land here in Microsoft Simulator, and you know the simulator on the computer.
Yeah.
When I was 13, 14 years old, you know, with
Okay,
the
so you-
A320.
You were familiar with
Yeah, with the terrain. Yeah. And now it's like a common thing. You know, it's nice. Yeah, the number 1, you have it here as well.
These are new stands.
Yeah, I mean they built new terminal, yeah. The right side. Like so.
Για τα επόμενα 10 λεπτά θα είναι διαθέσιμος και ο 16. Κόβει. Ευχαριστούμε.
Cabin crew goes to this normal question, thank you.
What makes it
Moricalo.
3 minutes? We do that.
Yeah, we do it. Yeah.
And you is running?
AP is running.